Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you all the Huda Beauty products. So I've created this look using a lot of Huda Beauty products. I got the Huda Beauty products not from Nykaa, I got it from the Huda Beauty website, and I got their latest launches, these melted eyeshadows, then the demi matte lipstick, and also their concealer, and yeah, the easy bake powder. So I have created this look using most of the Huda Beauty products. So if you want to know how I have created this look, then keep on watching. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. So these are the products that I have got. These are the Huda Beauty products I have got, and along with that I have got one sticker also, Huda Beauty Huda emoji. I have the concealer, the powder, and the eyeshadow and lipstick. Rest of the things I'm going to apply it first. So first I'm gonna go for the moisturizer. I'm gonna use this one. This is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. So it is quite moisturizing. I have got it recently. The bottle looks, the container looks a little bit smaller. It has 50 ml of the product, but it is quite moisturizing. So I'm gonna apply it on all over my face. So it is quite moisturizing. A lot of creams, you know, you apply it feels quite oily, but this one does not feel so oily, but it is quite moisturizing. Next I'm gonna go for this lip balm. Next I'm gonna fill in my brows. Till the time my moisturizer is getting sunk into my skin, I'm gonna fill in my brows using this Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the number 5. To set my brows, I have used this Benefit Give Me Brow in the shade number 5. Next, I'm gonna move into primer. I'm gonna use this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Brows are looking a little bit bold, but once I do my makeup, it will look good. So I'm gonna use this Nykaa Skin Genius Conceal and Correct, and taking this orangey shade, I'm gonna color correct near my mouth. So I'm going to use this Huda Beauty foundation, for filter foundation, in the shade Brown Sugar. It is quite matte, and on top of it bronzing, and it is a little bit tough to blend other things. So first I'm going to contour my face. So I'm going to use this. This is the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Foundation Stick in the shade A15. So I'm going to apply it on all the areas wherever I like to contour. This product is quite creamy, so I'm gonna use a brush and try to blend it. And since it is a foundation, it is going to blend nicely. So I'm going to stipple the foundation for the rest of my face. This way I'm going to apply less product also. Once I blended everything, it looks like this. I have applied a little bit of the more contour shade. Next I'm going to move into whatever is there in this parcel. So I have the concealer. So I have this concealer. This is the Huda Beauty concealer, and I have the shade, this is the Overachiever concealer, and I have the shade Toasted Almond 20G. So it is slightly lighter than my skin tone. So I'm gonna apply it under my eyes, bridge of my nose, a little bit on the forehead, and slightly on my chin. And also I'm gonna use this to prime my eyelid. So this concealer also has a similar kind of scent as the foundation. If you have used the Huda Beauty foundation, you know it has a little bit of scent in it. This one also has some scent. And this one also dries quite faster. So I am going over top of the concealer using my foundation brush so that everything looks blended. I think the concealer is quite good. It is similar to the foundation only. I really love the concealer. Next, I'm gonna move into the powder. I have got this Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder in the shade Sugar Cookie. So since it is quite white in color, I don't want to set it in all over my face, and my face is almost matte only because the foundation, concealer, everything is matte. So I'm gonna use this powder to set my under eyes. That's why I'm taking a very small brush. The powder is also have the same kind of scent. I think this is the signature, this perfume or the scent is the signature of the Huda Beauty. And also I'm gonna go on top of my eyelid. Next I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer and slightly bronze my face, and it is in the shade You Are Dragging Me Down. So I'm gonna take this bronzer. First I'm gonna slightly set the product. First I'm gonna slightly set the cream product, and then I'm gonna bronze my face. Next I'm gonna take a small fluffy brush to contour my nose using the same bronzer. Next I'm gonna use this Flower Pots powder blush in the shade Peach Primrose. So it's a very beautiful peachy color. So I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and apply the blush to the apples of my cheeks. Next I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and remove the excess baking I have, and also I'm gonna even out everything. Next I'm gonna move into what is there in the bag. So I have couple of more things. I have this 2 eyeshadows. These are the Huda Beauty Matte and Melted eyeshadows. So this one is more reddish and this is more of mauve tone. So I'm gonna take first the shade Private Jet on my eyelid, and then taking a fluffy brush I'm gonna blend it mostly my eyelid, all over my eyelid like this. You can see the change. So same thing I'm gonna do for my other eye also. So I applied the same shade for my lower lash line and blended it using the same fluffy brush. Wow, it has given a very beautiful hint of color to my eyelid. You can leave like that only. You can put some kajal and mascara and you'll be good to go. But I wanted to try some more colors also. So I'm gonna take this one. This is the shade Cherry Soda. It is more of reddish. So I'm gonna take this and apply it on the outer corners. wow, it has given a very beautiful color. Next I'm gonna go for the glittery sides of both the shades. So each side has different name. So the reddish one is hot sauce and cherry soda, and the other one, the nudish more mauvey one, is more private jet and shimmering sunset. So I'm gonna take this cherry soda and apply it on my eyelid. Wow, it's quite pigmented. So it's quite pigmented, so I'm gonna wait for some time till the time it dries. Wow, how stunning it looks. The glitter looks very beautiful. In my eyes it looks quite wet. I really love this eyeshadows. So next I'm gonna take the shade shimmering sunset, and I'm gonna use it for my inner corners, and I'm gonna use very less of the product. So these eyeshadows are very beautiful. I really love these eyeshadows, and the best part of it, you don't have any fallout using some glitters. So most of the time I do have problem with fallouts and all, even for eyeshadow also, because they are liquid, you don't have any fallout. So next I'm gonna put some lashes. I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty lashes in the shade Scarlet. So I'm gonna put these lashes and get back to you. Alright, lashes are done. So these lashes are very beautiful, the Scarlet, but they are like shorter length than my eyes. Like I like to bring my lashes a little bit in the front. So what I did, this portion was looking a little bit empty, so I took a liner. This is a L'Oreal Perfect Slim liner, and using that I just lined my inner corners and a little bit close to my lash line also. Next I'm gonna move into lips. For lips I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty Demi Matte lipstick. So this is in the shade Shero. So it is a nude color. So this is how it looks. So before using this, I'm gonna line my lips. Since it's a nude color, I like to line my lips before using any kind of nude lipstick. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Color Sensational lip liner, which is very close to my lip line color, and it is in the shade Choco Pop. So next I'm going to apply the lipstick. Next I'm gonna put this is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfecting Pressed highlighter in the shade Opal. So I'm gonna use this on the only highest points of my cheeks. Also I'm gonna use this to my brow bone. So yeah, this is a finished look. Most of the Huda Beauty products are so beautiful. I love this eyeshadows, this melted eyeshadows. They are so easy. Like if you are a beginner, it is so easy for it. You can see it, there is no fallout, and also it gives a very beautiful wet look. The lashes are also good. The lipstick, I mostly like matte lipstick, but okay, I can pair it up with some other lipstick, I think. So yeah, that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.